Hello, hello. Hello, guys. Man, the flu has been killing me last week. It's crazy. This new virus is messing everyone out. Okay. Alright, so welcome with the new 5 minute orb strategy, guys. So I'm just gonna, again, picking a random month this year. Let's see. May. You think? I don't mind doing May again. Sure. But for the next strategy, I don't want to. I mean, it's different strategy. It doesn't really matter to be honest. So May. We'll put here 50k account. Oh wait, what the hell? I'm so sorry. 50k account. 5 minute orb. Just whatever, anything. I'll just put 50%. 5 minute orb. 15 seconds. Put NQ. The date's going to be May. 1st of May. Up till last of May. Okay. Create session. And yeah. Alright. Put my loadout to whatever I want. Perfect here. So this what is the strategy about, yeah? So the strategy is this is the 5 minute orb again. Once the 9:30 candle on the 5 minute time frame forms, you're gonna be marking the high and the low of the candle, and then you go down to the 15-second time frame. 15-second time frame. Okay. So if we are not only below the range, below the range we go for longs on an inversion. Above the range we go shorts on an sorry, I'm just to hold up. Above the range, okay, we will be going shorts. Perfect. And above the 50% of the 5 minute orb, you'll be going shorts. Below the 50% of the orb, you'll be going long. Below the orb of the 5 minute, you're gonna also be going long. So that's just reversal strategy. On the 5 minute orb, 15 seconds entry. Okay? So again, so we have the 50% of the 5 minute orb. So think of it as discount and premium. So the below the 50% is a discount, above is a premium. So you long here and you long here, you short here and then you short here on an IFVG 15 seconds time frame. Okay? Oh, that's pretty much it. Entries on IFVG on 15 second, targeting tourist reward. We skip the days, the same days. Like I don't want to repeat this. It's the same days. Oh, I cannot go back here. No problem. We skip FOMC, Fed Powell speaking, or any presidential red folder. Okay, that's a 5 minute time frame. So that's the that's the 9:30 candle, 5 minute high and low, 15 seconds. So now that's the 15 seconds. So we do have an IFVG here for the long, because that is the 50%, right? We are in the discount of the 50%. We are below the 50% of the orb. So we go longs here and longs here. We do not go longs here. We go shorts here and then shorts here. Okay? We're still going short. We have another IVG here. Okay, that's our entry, market order. Stop with the last swing. You can do my stop order. This is the one that I have, but it's 15 seconds. It's fine. Stick to market order. Tourist reward at 1 hour. Remove 50% and move to break even. It's 1 to 1. Okay, stop loss or break even. And break even hit. We took 50%, right? Yeah. Okay. That is it. Go next day. What do we have here? Monday. It's PMI, so we're chilling. That's a 9:30 candle. 15 seconds. Okay. We are going for shorts here. We have this IVG. Another IVG here. I think we did invert. Yeah, okay. There's your entry. And then go to risk to reward at partials. Okay. 50% here. Okay, 1-to-1 hit, stop loss or break even, back to 2R, and TP hit. Lovely. Next day. The cool thing about 15 seconds is just you're like there's a high chance you're gonna get stopped in less than a minute or get TP, and it's a cool feeling. Not gonna lie, it's a cool feeling. So the 15-second time frame, it works really well. I've traded it, but for my psychology, I can't handle it much, to be honest. It's for me because I copy trade multiple accounts, right? I copy trade multiple accounts, so I'm happy with 1-to-1, and so I trade the 1 minute time frame, and the 1 minute time frame gives me enough room to calculate the risk that I want to, right? So that is the only reason why I don't go to 15 seconds. While 15 seconds gets you out of the trade very fast. It's like for hyper scalping. Okay. I think that's the entry. We inverted this gap. Go back. That's a short. That's 1-to-1. To risk to reward. At partials, break even at 1R. That is this. And we get stopped. Okay. Go next day. I think so far it's very clear and easy strategy. Very, very easy. Alright, 5 minutes. Wait, that's I think the FOMC or Fed. Yeah. We don't trade that day. Next. Just high, low. Wait, what is this? Oh god, Trump. Oop. Next. Trump is speaking. We don't trade that day. There's nothing on Friday, so we're chilling. 15 seconds. Come on. There is no IVG. There is here. This one. So oh, hold up. Yeah. So that is our first valid IVG. We are above 50%. So oh, that's okay. That's our last swing. At partials, auto break even 1. It's 1-to-1. Oh, hello. You finished back testing August. Nice. Okay, come on, hit TP. That's crazy. Okay, TP hit. Just following rules. Very easy. Very simple, very easy. Oh, 50 seconds. Okay. I think the strategy is very simple, right? Everything orb related is very simple. Just orb makes our life easy, to be honest. Well, At least for me personally in trading. No need to go on a higher time frame to see other confluences. No, none of that bullshit. Just two lines, and these two lines defines the bias for you. Is this an IVG? No. Okay. Alright, we did not invert this. We did invert this. So stop at the last swing. Turning tourist reward. That's not tourist reward. Tourist reward. Okay. And that 1R break even. That's 50% here. Alright, stop loss break even. Boom, TP hit. Now that's so lovely. So clean. And that's, put in mind, that's May though. That's one of the roughest months this year. Well, to be honest, May, it's the 10 a.m. 10 a.m. was patched. The 10 a.m. candle was completely patched. Once the 10 a.m. hit, the price started to chop, and that's where I realized, especially on May, when you trade before 10 a.m. candle, the price action tends to be cleaner. Wait, but it was too late for me to realize that. I was just following my model, and then it got cooked. And now I refined, and then I'm chilling. I'm ready to face May again. Alright, that's our entry. Stop. Swing. Tourist reward. One R. We got cooked. See, actually here, if we followed the stop order, that would be insane. But the reason why I put the market order, you are trading 15 seconds. If you don't enter market order, man, you're gonna be cooked, because the next you don't know how fast 15 seconds is. So if you, by the time you want to place your stop order, the candle will be here already. So your average is gonna be messed up. So the fastest option for you is to sell as the market order. That is why. Okay. Oh. It's high and low. 15 seconds. Yeah, that's the entry. It's the gap right there. Tourist reward. Adding partials 1 to 1. Same thing over and over. And then we got cooked. It's gonna go to TP. Yep. Yeah, that's one of the most painful thing to witness, to be honest, is when the price stops you out and then runs straight at TP. It is what it is. It is what it is. High and low. Oh, 15 seconds. Okay. Do we have any gap here? No, that's our first gap. Alright, that's the entry. That's gonna be a big stop, to be honest. Yeah. It's not. Wait, hold up. Yeah. Alright. So see, that's an invalidation though. That's a 50% orb, right? So we are shorting here. We do not short here. The price is already too extended. It's in the discount zone. It's in the area where we're interested for long. So that trade is not valid for us. It's not valid. Okay, so we look for, see, now we look for longs, but the price came back to the premium. We don't, so we only long here, we do not long here. We short here, we do not short here. So now I just have no entry. I just wait. The price is just gonna be probably choppy or not. Okay, now it went back down. I'll long here. Yes, exactly. I'm gonna run long here because we are in the discount of the 5 minute orb, 50%. That's how I trade inside the range. Wait, hold up. Okay, 50%. Okay, 50% hit, stops a break even, and break even hits. That's a choppy day. That's why the 50% tells us whether we are choppy or not. Yeah, that day was ugly. Watch this. The orb can tells you a lot. It's a story. You can read a lot from the orb. What is this? Okay. 15 seconds. There's nothing so far. Okay, that's a gap. Okay, we just inverted a gap here. There's nothing here to make sure. Market order, stop at the low. Tourist reward, that's crazy. One to one. Yeah, we got stopped. 5 minute. Go next day. I'm a big fan now of 1 to 1, to be honest. I just love 1 to 1 because 1 to 2, if you are planning to go for partials, uh, it's gonna be annoying. Like if you want to go for partials for 1 to 2, then just target 1.5R instead of 2R, and don't take partials. That's actually the like if you think of it, if you take partials 25%, 50%. If you took 25%, then you're targeting 1.75R. If you're taking 50%, you're just targeting your TP is 1.5R. So why the hell would you wait for the price to hit 2R? Just let it hit 1.5R instead. But I'm back testing here. Alright, tourist reward. Break even 1R. I think. Yeah. I think I did not take partials. Yeah, my bad. See here, I'm just proving that, you know, if you went for 1R here, that would be just problem solved, to be honest. It's problem solved completely. 1 to 1. Alright, stop. Go next day. We're almost done with May. Almost done. Oh, that's not a candle. Okay. There's no news. Good. So we long on this area. Alright. We are below 50%. That's our long. Break even. 1 to 1. Wow, that's crazy. It's gotta go up, right? Nah. Did I enter? Yeah, I entered correct. Good. Next day. That's a 9:30 candle. High, low. 15 seconds. Alright, so we are in the premium of the orb, right? So we have no gap here. That's our gap if we invert it, but it has to be inverted without touching the discount area. Now we go for shorts. Hello, Ihab, how are you? got stopped. How are you, bro? Good? Okay, I think we're back to break even now. We were up like 1%. But to mine, May is one of the most terrifying months this year. That's the long right there. Partials 1-to-1. All right. Ooh. Yeah, you see that chop. Yeah, but TP hit nevertheless. That's good. Okay, go next day. 6 more days, 6 more trading days, and then we're done. Wait, what do we have here? Nope. Fed Powell speaking. That day is skipped. Completely skipped. Okay. No news here. Good. 15 seconds. Hold up. Is this a gap? Is this a gap? That's the only gap. We're above 50%. There's no gap here. No gap here. The candles has no volatility. Then I think that's wait. Let me see 1 minute. Nah, no, it's good. It's good. I thought that was. I think that day. I think that day is bank holiday. What the hell is this? 26th of May. Yeah, see, I knew it. Because there's no like the candles look so ugly. I knew it. So we don't trade bank holiday, obviously. Oh, okay. It's 9:30 candle, 15 seconds. Oh, did we invert? Nope, not yet. No, we did invert. That is stop. Tourist reward. 1 hour at partials. Alright. Hits 1 hour, stop us a break even. Okay. Next day. So we're up now 1% so far this month, considering May is dog shit, so that's good. I have 3 more trading days. There is an echo in your sound. Really? I think I played with the settings yesterday and I forgot to change it back. I think that's it. But can you hear me clearly? And put in mind I'm also sick, so I don't know if this makes a difference. I have a flu. Oh, okay. Alright, lovely. Swing is here. Tourist reward. 1 hour at partials. Wow, okay. That's crazy. That's crazy, TP. Really crazy. Do you have any? So is this? Okay, that's British. Nah. 15 seconds. So we don't take here because that's we are waiting for the 930 candle to form. That's where the 930 candle formed. So you start looking here. This inversion is no longer valid because this candle before the 935. So that's why we don't take this. And we don't take this because that's above 50%. We'll be looking for shorts here. So you look for a new IFVG here, yeah, here, like this one for instance. If we invert this, yeah. We do not. Okay, we inverted this. Now we entered longs. Perfect. Just draw so 1R, 2R at partials, 1E break even. And we get stopped instantly. Okay. Next day. Yeah, that's the last day. I think. Yeah, that's the last day of the month. Let's see. Oops. What happened? We are up 1.25, I guess, so far. We are up 1.25. So that's our first gap. That's our entry. So let's swing here. To risk to reward. To break even at 1 at partials. 1 to 1 is here. And we get stopped. Alright, so that was pretty much May. Let's see. Yeah, so May is 1% so far, right? 1 point something, 1%. Yeah, 1.08%. So that is May. Considering how terrible price action was, that's really good. 1 break even with partials, TP, TP, TP. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full TPs. I think here I forgot to take partials. That's why it's 500. So this should be 380 something. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Okay. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 break evens with partials, full TPs, and the rest are just losses. It's considering how terrible the price action was. That's really good. $500, very good. 1% of 50k, not too bad at all. Yeah, obviously you need to gather more data on this, but you understand how it works. It's really simple, really easy, and I think this is like I back tested this, to be honest. I mean, I forward tested this on 1 week trade in March. I remember it was really good, but it wasn't a good fit for my psychology, at least for the way how I manage risk. It's too aggressive. Like in back testing, it's easy because you could just, take a break. Just pause the chart, take your time, do your analysis. But in 15 seconds, you don't have time to even scratch your head. It's nothing. You have to be very, very fast in the execution. So yeah, you need to gather data on this, at least 200 to 300 trades, and then you'll understand how this strategy win rate is. Add your tags as well, and yeah, that will be it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, this strategy. If you have any question, please don't forget to just ask me in the comment section or DM me. I'll promise I'll respond to everyone. Alright, you have a good day, and peace. Bye bye.